Right Eddy Sensor Replacement Guide for the X2D. Always power off and disconnect the printer from the power source before maintenance. To start, we need to remove the toolhead housing. To do this, open the toolhead front cover. Press the connector locking tab on the side to unplug the connector and set the toolhead front cover aside. Use an H1.5 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the side of the toolhead rear cover. Then gently remove the toolhead rear cover and set it aside. Now, use an H1.5 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the side of the toolhead middle housing. Next, press down on the black tube coupler for the left hot end and remove the tube from the toolhead. Pull the flow blocker to the right to expose the pneumatic connector on the right extruder filament sensor board. Use a wrench to loosen the pneumatic connector by rotating it counterclockwise and remove the filament tube from the toolhead. Detach the toolhead middle housing from the cable chain bracket and remove it. Remove the right eddy sensor. Now remove the silicone sock, then open the locking tabs and remove the hot end. Close the locking tabs in place. Next, use an H1.5 screwdriver to remove the single screw securing the right filament cutter lever. Spread the lever outward and nest it in a position that does not interfere with subsequent operations. Use an H2.0 screwdriver to remove the 2 screws and take off the metal pressing plate bracket. Now, disconnect the hot end heating assembly connector and peel off the foam on the toolhead interface board. Disconnect the right eddy sensor connector and the right filament sensor assembly connector by pulling them straight out, perpendicular to the connector direction. Next, remove the cable fixing tape. Then, loosen the cable from the metal locking tab by gently bending the tab outward. Use an H1.5 screwdriver to remove the 2 fixing screws and gently pull out the right eddy sensor. Installing the right eddy sensor. Gently route the eddy sensor cable along the metal locking tab, then secure it by bending the tab inward. With the screw holes facing downward, install the eddy sensor above the hot end heating assembly. Next, tighten the 2 screws with H1.5 screwdriver. Rewrap the eddy sensor cable with tape, then clip the cable into the wire clip. Align the right eddy sensor connector and the right filament sensor assembly connector with the port on the TH board and press it fully in. Then reapply the foam. Now, reconnect the hot end heating assembly connector and then install the metal pressing plate bracket. Use an H2.0 screwdriver to fasten the 2 screws to secure it. Install the right filament cutter lever and secure it with the single screw. Confirm that it is properly installed by gently pressing it several times and ensuring it springs back smoothly. Unlock the locking tab, install the hot end, then close the locking tab. Next, insert the silicone sock. Install the tool head housing. Take the tool head middle housing, align the notch with the cable chain bracket, and press gently to secure it. Tighten the 4 screws of the tool head middle housing. Next, install the left filament tube onto the left pneumatic connector and gently pull to check whether it is properly seated. Install the filament tube of the auxiliary extruder onto the pneumatic connector. Then use a wrench to tighten the pneumatic connector clockwise to secure the right filament tube. Now install the tool head rear cover onto the tool head, ensuring all locking tabs on the cover are properly engaged. Then secure the 4 screws on the sides. Next, connect the tool head front cover cable and close the tool head front cover assembly, and you are done.